just gotta tell everybody. I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love you. I love you.
Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today is Friday. It is my son's birthday, as y'all can see. Little decorations in the back. My husband and my other son did that, and I thought it was so cute that they did that, y'all. Anyway, I'm trying to be quiet because it is 6:30 in the morning and he's still asleep, and they just finished and I just got home from work. Okay, so he should be waking up sometime anytime soon. I'm gonna try to catch his reaction. If I don't, I'm sorry. Anyway, y'all, if y'all new here, my name is Sade. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get to this weekend. So I'm getting ready to wash my youngest son hair right now, and then I'll probably wash my oldest son hair when he get up, or later when I wake up. We'll see. Why you so heavy with that? I wasn't ready. One down, one to go.
Yep.
I'm telling you, this will work out. We just camped out on the stairs. Waiting for him to open the door. Happy birthday! He looking like what?
Whole thing in my face. Thank you.
It was like, what's going on? Let us see what you got, Jay. Open up your shirt. Let's see what you got. Ooh. Hey, y'all. It has literally been like a week since I seen y'all. Don't ask me what happened. I don't know. Well, you know what? I do know. My freaking memory card. Hold on, y'all, because I want to sit down. My freaking memory card, y'all, it got all wonky, I guess. And in my camera, it was like, oh, you don't have a memory card when the memory card is in there, or oh, your memory card is full, so I had to format and reset it, and it erased everything off of it. But luckily, I didn't really have nothing on it. Everything that was on it, I already posted. So yeah, I don't like that though, because why you erasing shit? Like, what if I did have something on there? Anyway, y'all, if y'all can't tell, it is Valentine's Day. And don't ask me what I'm doing and why I'm dressed, because I'm dressed for no reason. I don't have nowhere to go. Oh, I did put some earrings on. Put some earrings on for what? I didn't go get my nails done. I didn't get my toes done, my eyelashes, nothing. But y'all, it's because my anniversary is literally like in a few days. And we normally just don't do nothing on Valentine's Day, just because we always doing shit. Like, we've been, like, y'all might not know this about us, but for years, we don't do shit really for Valentine's Day. And I don't be tripping because, like, we always like do shit for each other. And also, I have our, I'm sorry, I gotta turn it the other way. I have my address on there. I have our gift for our anniversary. So yeah, I can't wait to open that with y'all and let y'all know. Anyways, y'all, I have not talked to y'all and told y'all what was going on. For my son's birthday last week, we went to IHOP. We went to the basketball game, as y'all probably already seen. Hold on, my phone ringing. I done got a phone call and forgot everything that I was just saying to y'all. But anyway, I was saying that last week we went to IHOP and they had all these weird freaking pancakes. They had blueberries and strawberries and what you had? Everybody had blueberries and strawberries? Yeah, that's what they had. And I just had 2 eggs. And what else did we do? Oh, we had went to yeah, I already got the videos for that, but I don't have no videos for nothing else. Because like I said, my camera was tripping. But we went to Buffalo Wild Wings and just got some dinner after the game. And yeah, he pretty much enjoyed his birthday. He's still getting birthday presents like as of today, and it's the freaking 14th. A whole week later, but I think he enjoyed his birthday. Did you enjoy your birthday?
Yes.
Yeah, he did.
It was fun.
So I'm coming back to y'all on the 14th to finish this vlog out. I don't know. I'm gonna vlog this whole weekend. Okay, we're fine. I'm gonna vlog this whole weekend, and then we're gonna probably close it up by Monday or Tuesday. Cause today Friday. So yeah. Hello. So, I think what I'm going to do is fold the towels and get on my computer and sign my kids up for soccer because it's time and they are ready. Soccer again, y'all. So, going to get ready for your soccer content because it's coming. I'm back to being a soccer mom. Excuse me. Can I have my... Can you bring my stuff back to me? Like, what? So we getting ready to go to the concert. I did not put on no lashes today, y'all. Do y'all see? I'm plain Jane. And let me show you my outfit because my outfit didn't come, so I had to put on some crap. Nothing. Working with nothing here today. So we just gonna have to see how this night gonna go.
The next day.
Hey y'all, it's Monday. I'm getting ready to make some content. I'm getting ready to make some low main. So be on the lookout for that video, okay y'all? I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope that y'all enjoyed my little outings. Y'all know I can't really put the music when I went to the concert. I can't really, have the music in the video because YouTube do not be playing around. They don't get down like that, or you're gonna get them, them copyright strikes. So just want to give y'all a little glimpse of what's going on or whatever. So yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think of the gift. I think it is so beautiful, so freaking cute. If y'all want the details on that, I'm gonna just put it in the description below, so y'all ain't gotta worry about that. But I did go on mixbooks.com, okay? And without that being said, y'all, I will see y'all on my next vlog. Bye.
Hit that subscribe button.